Trying to lose weight but still want ice cream? These 3 high-protein Ninja Creami recipes can help you stay on track. Today, we're making peanut butter, mocha, and cheesecake ice creams, all with at least 37 grams of protein. Let's get started. We're gonna grab a scale and a pitcher, and we'll pour in 3 cups worth of unsweetened almond milk, 3/4 cup worth of heavy cream. And now in a bowl, we'll add our dry ingredients. We'll add in 4.5 scoops of the protein powder, 3 tablespoons of 0-calorie sweetener. Now to make it nice, thick, and creamy, we're going 3/8 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Now the flavor enhancer, we're gonna add in some salt. It's just gonna be a few pinches. I'm gonna whisk our dry ingredients together. Make sure we avoid any clumping. Mix the almond milk and the heavy cream together. And now I'm gonna take my wet ingredients and add it to the dry while whisking. I'm gonna carefully pour this back into the pitcher. That way we can use an immersion blender and make sure everything's nice and mixed together. So this is our vanilla or our neutral base. We got 3 pints right here. Put the lid on here. And now I'm gonna equally pour this across all 3 pints. Now we're gonna go ahead and customize all 3. First one is gonna be peanut butter. So we're gonna be adding in some PB2 or powdered peanut butter, lower in calories and still tastes pretty good in these creamies. And this one, we're making this a mocha. So I have espresso instant coffee. Tear that open. I'm just gonna go 1 pack into here. And then I'm using 1 tablespoon chocolate fudge, 0-calorie pudding mix. And now for the cheesecake, we're using pudding mix as well. This is a 0 sugar cheesecake pudding mix. We're gonna go 1 tablespoon of this pudding mix. And now we'll take the immersion blender again and just blend these all up. All mixed up, we're gonna drop these in the freezer for 24 hours. All these will be ran on the light ice cream setting, and we'll start off with the peanut butter. Let's take a look. It's nice. Look at that. It's legit. Big chunk for you guys. Look at that. Smooth and creamy that is. Give it a try. It's that nice peanut butter taste. Now we got the mocha spinning. Look at that. Give the mocha a try. First get that chocolate taste, and then the coffee taste kicks in right after. Pretty good. The cheesecake. Cheesecake. Oh, look at that. Give the cheesecake a try. That's got that nice cheesecake flavoring. Super creamy. Tastes like legit cheesecake without all the calories. That's a win. If you want more recipes like this, check out this video right here.